Hello, namaste.
Welcome to our another vlog after so long. हामीले vlog नबनाउनुको reason चाहिँ किन भन्दाखेरि हामी कहीँ पनि गएको थिएन. So finally we decided to go to North Stradbroke Island for a camping. We're gonna be staying there for 3 days. I mean, 3 days 2 nights. Why am I always confused about our
Okay, that's
stay?
okay. That doesn't really matter. हामी चाहिँ अब स्ट्राबोक आइल्यान्ड जानको लागि वेटिङमा बसिरहेको छौँ. यो चाहिँ 1 hour ड्राइभ फ्रम ब्रिस्बेन. क्लिभल्यान्ड भन्ने ठाउँमा रहेछ फेरी स्टेसन. अनि हाम्रो गाडी सबै त्यहीँ राखेर हामी चाहिँ फेरीमा यात्रा गर्नेछौँ.
Yeah, we finally arrived to Amity Point, हाम्रो camping ground. फेरीबाट उत्रेर अर्को आधी घण्टा ड्राइभ गरेर हामी फाइनली यहाँ आइपुग्यौँ. अनि के अरे हामीले यो लोकेसन चुज गर्नुको एउटा रिजन चाहिँ हाम्रो 4-wheel ड्राइभ नभएर हो. नभए चाहिँ अरूहरू छ जुन चाहिँ फ्लिन्डर बिच र मेन बिच क्याम्पिङ ग्राउन्ड, त्यहाँ चाहिँ 4-wheel ड्राइभ चाहिने रहेछ त्यहाँ काम गर्नुको लागि. सो आई थिङ्क दिस इज द आइडियल प्लेस इफ यु डोन्ट ह्याभ अ 4-wheel ड्राइभ. तर कस्तो राम्रो ठाउँ छ भन्ने मैले सुनेको थिएँ, किन एज पर रिभ्यू है. सो लेट्स सी हाउ वी गो एन्ड या लेट्स एक्सप्लोर एमिटी पोइन्ट विथ अस.
ल हाम्रो यहाँ आज मोमो खाने हो. मोमो पनि रेडी छ. हाम्रो सेकुवा पनि रेडी छ. आज सेकुवा नि खाने हो. ल हाम्रो क्याम्प पनि हेर्नुहोस्. सुत्नलाई पनि रेडी छ. सालाड बनाउँदैछ. हेलो सलोनी, हाउ आर यू?
I am good.
Finally you escaped from the COVID?
Yes. And
All the way to the next island.
all the way to the Stradbroke Island.
Just
Beach right in front of me and enjoying my cool chill beer. Not cool, chill. And Nigel is desperate to go to swim. Look at him, he's all ready.
Hello Nizo. जान त गएर स्विम गरेर आउँछ.
You said to wait.
You can go explore but don't go to the water.
Okay, I'll just wait for this. यहाँ हुनुहुन्छ हाम्रो मिस्टर सेफ निरज पाटा. आजको लन्च के बनाउँदै हुनुहुन्छ?
आज बर्गर बनाउँदैछु. यो चाहिँ बेलुका खानको लागि मोमो मिन्स मैले घरबाटै म्यारिनेट गरेर फ्रोजन गरेर ल्याएको थिएँ. अनि बर्गर प्याटी पनि बन्छ. तर मैले कहिले पनि खाएको
2 in 1?
या 2 in 1.
ओके.
फुली राम्रै हुन्छ होला. टेस्ट कस्तो भएछ
अपडेट गर्नुहुन्छ?
गर्नुपर्छ.
हस्.
Cheers and happy holiday.
Bacon, double cheese, lamb burger.
And get the patty.
Where's the patty? 1 cheese with the patty and 1 cheese with the bread. Okay. Do you think it's the best thing to eat after a swimming?
Yes.
And with the view. The beach is right there.
Our personal beach.
Personal beach. And we will be going back, isn't it? We'll do fishing actually. I'll be swimming. Oh, this is making me hungry already. And you can eat it. Can you please put this in here on top of it?
Okay. Is the one?
Yeah, put this one on top of the bread.
Okay, there you go. My helper. You can use your hand or just a tiny bit, yeah.
If your hands are clean.
Yes.
Oh no. Oh yes.
What? Oh no, oh yes. Where's the other patty? Oh yeah.
It's
Who wants 2 bacon?
me.
Okay. Which one is yours?
Yeah, he's a growing boy. I think he deserves it.
Oh, it's hot, it's hot.
He can. That's not the way, Nizol.
That's okay.
That's not the way.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not really okay, but we flip it
It is.
over. There we go. The burger is ready. So,
Oh yeah, it is.
Make sure there is no jinga.
I put this.
Do you want to put tomatoes?
that's 2 small tomato.
Is it?
There you go. So, I want to give this, and I want to see your face.
And what about the sauce?
Oh yeah, which sauce you want? There is a
Tomato.
There is a tomato sauce.
I want tomato sauce. I don't
And,
want that.
We have a momo sauce.
I don't want momo sauce. I just want tomato.
I want tomato sauce.
I prefer spicy sauce, but so धेरै luxury पनि expect गर्नु हुँदैन क्याम्पिङ आउँदा हैन हो मम्मी भन्नुपर्छ हो मम्मी भन्
There you go.
हे त छोरा टिनेज लागेपछि भनेको मान्दैन भन्थ्यो हो रहेछ
Teenage चाहिँ लागेको छैन, लाग्नेवाला छ।
Almost.
चाँडै।
What was that?
after 2 years
2 years?
Mommy. Here is the burger for you. Double cheese.
Ooh.
Momo mince patty.
Momo mince
Bacon.
patty. This is
Salad.
This
There you
is
go.
your special burger.
Yes. I never
Thank
tried this.
you.
Hopefully you like it. I want to see your face. And comment exactly what you feel like. Okay. Don't say like without mito. Yummy, yummy. Oh my god. Whatever.
It's a smiley face.
Hmm.
Hmm?
Mm.
Out of
Pretty
5.
good.
Out of 5.
10. Out of 5. I think it's this is giving me vibes of a burger from grilled
Okay, good.
lamb burger.
Alright.
हल्का त्यो स्पाइसेसहरुको टच छ
Otherwise,
Easy,
I think
easy.
that would we like it.
Okay. Nizel, go for it and comment.
झिंगा हेर झिंगा oh my god झिंगा is attacking my burger
Big, yummy.
How it tastes like? Tastes like. Okay.
I love the cheese. Okay, let us enjoy our burger. We'll update you later.
Yeah, see you in fishing. Bye. I took your video if you don't mind.
Yeah.
It's fine.
That mostly
I can give a fuck. That's okay. That's okay. I'm just showing like the baits. Just want to show how the Australian boys enjoy a school holiday.
Where are you guys from?
I'm from Nepal.
Oh, wow.
Have you heard about that? Nepal?
Yeah. Is that where the Himalayas are?
That's right. That's right.
Oh, man. Geography, mate.
Yeah, he knows everything.
One of the few sometimes.
Parin, was that?
One of the few things he does know.
And I like the music you're playing.
Thank you.
Yeah, you got it. What's the name of the fish?
No clue.
Okay.
Let's call it a zebra. Yeah.
This looks so beautiful. the fish near and you throwing the fish far.
Good morning, everyone. We just woke up.
Here we go. Mommy cooking yummy dinner.
Not dinner, breakfast.
Sorry, breakfast. There we go. Eggs.
What do we have for breakfast?
Breakfast.
We have some mushroom, egg, toast, and that's it.
What else? What about beans?
I forgot to bring beans.
Okay. Looks like yummy though. Here is the beach. Yeah. Nizel,
Yo.
what are you playing with?
Snorkeling gear. I'm trying to put it on.
What?
Snorkeling gear.
Okay.
गाइज हामीले भर्खरै ब्रेकफास्ट खाएर सो हामी चाहिँ अब स्ट्राइड एक्सप्लोर गर्न हिँडिरहेछौँ अनि इन्टरनेटमा सर्च गरेर चाहिँ यो पोइन्ट लुकआउट भन्ने ठाउँ चाहिँ लाइक मस्टको प्लेस भनेर लेखेको थियो नम्बर 2 मा थियो सो वी जस्ट डिसाइडेड टु कम हियर एन्ड एक्सप्लोर दिस पोइन्ट लुकआउट आई थिङ्क इट्स पोइन्ट लुकआउट है
Let's go.
इट्स एक्चुली सुरुकै भ्यू नै यस्तो दामी छ यहाँ Nizel is apparently craving for Hajmola ice cream. कुन आइसक्रिम खाने रे निजल भन त कुन आइसक्रिम खाने रे भन त
Hajmola ice cream. I don't know that Hajmola ice cream exists.
Good invention would be.
Yeah, come on, entrepreneur. Think about Hajmola ice cream.
Yeah, Nijel's first के रे इन्भेन्सन चाहिँ आइडिया चाहिँ के रे potato chips with cheese inside.
Cheese.
Yeah. He said we can inject cheese inside the potato and make it cheesy. And the other one is Hajmola ice cream. Good one, Nijel. Keep it up. Hello. So we finally back to the same place. एक घन्टा जस्तो त वक गऱ्यो होला त थाक्यो पनि गर्मी पनि भयो यस्तो सन्नी डे छ which is good.
Time
Anyway.
for ice cream now.
Okay.
Let's go.
Do you want chocolate or what?
Only that one.
Which that one?
This one. I don't know what that is.
That looks like caramel. Banana or passion fruit, strawberry. Just make it this kind. Milo, almond, lemon.
हाम्रो क्याम्पिङको डे 3 गोइङ अन आज चाहिँ प्याक अफ डे हो सो वी हेभ टु चेक आउट अराउन्ड 10 o'clock अहिले त्यस्तै 7 साढे 7 भइसक्यो आज हाम्रो डेको एक्टिभिटिजहरू नि छ फ्यु एक्टिभिटिज अझै एक्सप्लोर गर्न बाँकी छ बेसिकली भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ यो स्टार्ट बोट आइल्यान्ड चाहिँ मलाई दामी लाग्यो स्पेसली दिस क्याम्पिङ पोइन्ट सबै को सुविधा भएको एन्ड अन द टप अफ द्याट एकदम म्याजेस्टिक भ्यू जस्ट फ्यु मिटर्स अवे चाहिँ हाम्रो बिच छ यहीँ सानो जस्ट वी इन्जोयड अ लट राम्रो भयो जहिले पनि हामी 1-2 डेजको क्याम्पिङ आउँथ्यो यसपालि चाहिँ 3 डेजको आएको वी हेभ इनफ टाइम टु एक्सप्लोर अराउन्ड वी ह्याभिङ फन अनि बाँकी अझै हेर्दै गर्नु होला हामी चाहिँ जङ्गल हिँड्दै 3 किलोमिटर हिँड्नु पर्ने रहेछ त्यहाँ पुग्नलाई कुन ठाउँ हामी जानु लाग्यो ब्लू लेक
म त ड्राइभले के ठ्याक्क पुऱ्याइदिन्छ होला भनेको त हिँड्नु भनेको त चप्पल लाएर ठिक गरेर
Okay.
या निजलले चाहिँ एउटा जङ्गलमा फ्रुट्स भेटेको छ अब यसको नाम के हो निजल?
Hairy apple.
Hairy apple? Okay, that's good. Khao na then khao. Actually, we
I'll
don't.
actually drink it. Look, see, it has its own straw.
Okay, good.
And yeah, and own handle.
Hello.
Which wasn't very worth it actually. हामीहरुलाई blue lake भनेपछि त वाउ खतरे लेक होला जस्तो लागेको थियो तर it was okay, but I would not recommend to anyone to walk, hike. If you really love hiking, then it's alright, but if you're not into bush hiking, I गर्न मन नपर्ने मान्छेलाई चाहिँ it's not worth it. Anyway, हामी चाहिँ अब Dunwichमा we back to Dunwich when we got some food for ourselves because we're hungry. I've got a fish and chips for myself with the view. And Nero, he ordered some salad roll. I think he will be disappointed if he doesn't have any meat inside.
He does it.
Yes. Otherwise, you guys have to share it.
And Nizel, he got a pie, bacon and beef.
Yep, that has the healthiest.
Alright, let's enjoy our